In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho Cliq for Zoho projects. To get started, make sure you are signed in to Zoho projects and you are on the main home dashboard for your portal. This is the central page where you can access your projects, recent activity, and most importantly, your settings and integrations. Having the right access matters here, so if you do not see setup or marketplace options, you may need admin or portal-level permissions. From the home area, look toward the top section of the Zoho Projects interface where your primary navigation and account controls are located. Click the highlighted menu or icon that opens your broader options. This is the entry point into the configuration area, and it is where Zoho keeps the tools for connecting projects with other services. Next, find and select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho Projects organizes integrations, extensions, and connections to other Zoho products. Opening Marketplace ensures you are looking in the right place rather than changing project settings that only affect a single project. Inside Marketplace, click Zoho Apps. This section filters the available integrations to official Zoho applications, which helps you locate Zoho Cliq faster and avoids confusion with third-party extensions. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your organization has many apps listed. Now scroll if needed and click on Zoho Cliq. Selecting it opens the integration page dedicated to Cliq, where projects and Cliq can be linked so your team can collaborate and receive updates in chat more easily. On the Zoho Cliq page, click Configure. This takes you into the setup screen where the integration can be enabled and prepared for use. After you click Configure, you may see another Configure option within the integration panel. Click Configure again to proceed fully into the configuration flow. At this point, you have reached the configuration area for Zoho Cliq within Zoho Projects. If the interface takes a second to respond, stay on the page and allow it to finish loading before moving on, since integration pages sometimes refresh while permissions and connections are checked. And that is all there is to it.